Hey guys, today we're going to break into the Martin Mac Axiom. So this hybrid fixture is powered by a 440 watt arc lamp. It features 9 rotating glass gobos. It has a 3-facet prism and an 8-facet prism, as well as CMY color mixing and a color wheel as well. It gives you all of the fun toys of a beam with the versatility of a profile. The Axiom does a lot of stuff really well, but it also sucks at some stuff. I had to go through our whole stock of about 60 in order to do dimmer calibration, which turns out is a huge I wasn't supposed to say that. So jumping into calibration, you have to access the hidden menu in order to calibrate any of the functions. Once you're in the menu, you can manipulate any of the functions of the light. You can do this in a couple of ways. If the light is unplugged, you can just plug it in and click menu and enter simultaneously during its startup phase. But if the light is already on and it's already lamped on specifically, you can scroll through the menu to manual control, hit enter on reset, and enter one more time on head motors, and that'll cause the fixture to recalibrate, and from there you can hit enter and menu simultaneously, and it'll bring you to the menu without lamping your fixture off. So once we're in the hidden menu, the attributes we need to focus on are dim 1 0, dim 2 0, dim 1 path, and dim 2 path. So what I've found is that dimmer blade 1 will come in from the right side if we're looking down the lens, and dimmer blade 2 will come in from the left. The dimmer 0 functions are going to set your absolute values of 0 and 100%. Getting these to close evenly is our goal here. The dim path functions will help you calibrate your middle values of 25, 50, and so on. So I didn't find any sort of manual for calibration of these fixtures, and as far as I know, Martin doesn't make any tools specifically for this. So this entire process was trial and error and eyeballing it basically. But Martin, if you're listening, feel free to send me some stuff. I went about calibrating these fixtures by creating a 2-step Q-stack. 1 at 100%, 2 at 20%. And as the beam opened and closed, I looked for a sweet spot on the cyc and in the beam itself. With the dimmer attribute at full, I ensured my dimmer 0 values moved the dimmer blades out of the path of the beam, and then I double-checked my work by cycling through my Q-stack. When you're satisfied with your results, scroll down through the calibration menu to save as default and click yes. It's good practice to then power cycle the light and go back into this menu and redo your test. I did have several units that didn't save their calibration, so I had to redo it, save, and check a third time. Now I doubt this is going to be the last time that I have to rip into these fixtures and do this dimmer calibration, but now that I've done it once, I feel like it'll be way easier next time. I hope it made it easier for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.